Okay, here we have 3 Carrier round one air conditioners and some other stuff. It's very cold and sweaty. Take a better look at that data sheet. I'm not sure what year it's from. It's a Trane XE1000. Climate Tough Recip. Yeah, this is an old one. It's from 1992 and it's a 2-ton. Look at all that condensation. Couple more right here. There's one that's off. Of course, it has a reciprocating compressor. I can't see what kind it is though. That sounds like Climate Tough Recip. Another Carrier round one, Coleman, Evcon, and Goodman and Smoke Comfort. This one is really quiet. It's 1.5 ton. I might be able to decode the year. It's really faded. That is working amazing. Here's a Centurion. Here to get a quick shot of this. It's got a Bristol. Older Goodman. A round ICP of some kind. That's a Coleman reset on the panels off of it. And we'll take a very quick look at these. Here's another round one with a Carrier logo on it. There's a broad air. I'm not going to go to it though because it's right in front of a window. Got some more older Goodmans right here. Data sheets are too faded on both of those, sadly. It's on a pile. Two-ton for 2004. Here's a weird Goodman right here. And that actually has a Tecumseh reciprocating compressor. Looks new. the top and the body are mismatched.